Hi Ann, we're back with Dusty. So I wanted to tell you he's been good as gold until this morning when he decided to break bad. Because I was giving him this little chicken and the big mastiff came over there and he went after the dog viciously, and when I tried to pull him away. So the only thing we can do with one like this is get him conditioned with the pager. So we're not going to just, it's really not about punishing that behavior at this point, but we've got to make him more humble. So I've got my pager on and I'm going to send you the info, or I can get this one for you because we need to have it specially modified. But what it is he's going to feel the vibration. It's going to be the same as your cell phone set on vibrate. So we're going to start giving him the understanding that that's us communicating. And then we have a way to communicate with him at a distance. So we're just going to start out what we were doing yesterday. So I'm doing the pager every time I turn. Turn him right there with the pager. Obviously, these little dogs like this, we don't want to jerk on their neck at all. Pressure while I'm doing the pager. Turn him up with the pager. As soon as he's moving back this way, I'm letting the pager up. Unfortunately, we don't have a sound box for this thing, so we can't really tell when I'm doing it, but holding it down right there and then turning it. So that's where we're starting with that. The other thing we want to start doing is teaching him to come to you without the leash. Once we can get him conditioned with this, then it's not going to be the same. Dusty! Good boy. Good boy. All the treats he likes are this liver. So I'm only going to call him when his back is turned. That's when you're going to need him to come. We're going to do this over and over and over again so that that becomes the habit. So we're going to use his name. Dusty! Good boy. Good boy. Well, this seems like a little innocent thing. I'll tell you what, girl, he broke bad. That TV show Breaking Bad, that had nothing on it. It's what around here we refer to as going all dog day afternoon. So I'm only going to call him when his back is turned to me. I'm not going to call him when he's looking at me. That's not going to help you. I'm only going to do it when his back is turned. He gets obviously very easily distracted, so it isn't that difficult. Dusty! Oh, good boy. Good boy. We're going to find a little bit smaller strap for that collar. better communicate with him instead of the leash. I'll be able to take the leash off at some point. And he's still not understand. He looks cock his leg a lot. Oh, he likes to bark at me too if I don't give him the treats fast enough. He looks sweet and innocent. Trust me, he's not. Very subtle there, but you can see the pager made his head. All right, girl, we're going to work on this a little bit more, and we'll have more updates soon.